So one of the things I try to do when I'm writing documentation is ask myself, who is this documentation for? Because documentation that's just documentation is probably just going to atrophy and become useless. It needs to be targeted. It needs to be written for a specific purpose. So in this comment specifically, I'm talking about SSHP, the C program I wrote that can SSH into multiple machines at the same time. There's multiple sources of documentation. First things first, there's a README. The README is for when you come to the repo and you're like, what is this project? What's it all about? What's the license? How do I install it? That's who that's for. There's a man page. I ship a man page with it. That is for an operator. That is for someone who's going to use the program and they want to have the manual. Here's everything you can do with the program. When you open up the source file, there's a big block comment at the top that describes my whole thought process when architecting this, why it works the way it does. This is targeted for people who are going to develop it. And then for each function or like parts of the code, I'll have inline documentation just for a couple lines. That's how I do it.